These are realistic ways to make $5,000 fast without a full-time job. Are you already budgeting and saving money but still find it tough to rack up some extra cash? I totally get it, life happens. Sometimes you just need some money to pay a bill, or you're trying to save up for something you want. But you don't want to fall behind on bills and struggle to stay on top of your financial goals. Sure, another $5,000 earned in the next few weeks wouldn't hurt. But sometimes saving money can only get you so far. So if you want to learn how to make money, or are you looking to make $5,000 fast, then listen up. This is an exhaustive list of things that anyone can do in order to make $5,000 of fast cash this year, or sooner. 1. Make $5,000 fast selling scrap metal. Scrapyards will often buy electronics, appliances, and metal vehicles that you may have lying around in your home. It's not uncommon for a scrapper to make up to $100, $200 a day from their hauls. Scrapyards make money by reselling their accumulations of metals either to refineries or larger scrap brokers. Your best bet is bringing copper and aluminum to your local scrapyard. Or if you have an extra fridge, you can scrap it for around $30 at your local scrapyard and get paid today. If you are looking for a scrapyard near you that will pay you money for your metals or appliances, then keep these tips in mind. 2. Make an extra $400 a month selling your plasma. If you need money right now, then you can earn it quickly by selling your plasma. Expect to earn from $25, $50, and you can likely get paid today. It takes around 30 minutes to sell plasma, but if you are a new donor, expect to wait even longer. This is a great way to make money today. Once you do it once, it'll be faster to do it the next time, and you can start doing it 2 times every week. That's an extra $400 a month. 3. Make money on Twitch. Ever since the computer was invented, people have been looking for ways to make money playing games on it, and many have got quite good at it. This past decade, live streaming has completely revolutionized the gaming world. When most avid gamers and gaming enthusiasts hear of the words live streaming, there's one platform that often comes to their minds: Twitch. Twitch is the world's leading live streaming platform that allows gamers to stream videos of themselves playing games and lets visitors to the site watch those videos in real time. Twitch's growth is kicking into high gear, and that escalation is a great opportunity for gamers to earn $5,000 fast from their favorite pastime. 4. Make $5,000 fast with your hobbies. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. Henry Ford. Do you have a habit of penning down your thoughts in your journal every day? Do you love taking your dog on a walk every day? Or, do you spend most of the time of your day in playing video games? If you are nodding in affirmation, then it seems you can easily make money. How? Well, there are a number of hobbies that can actually be turned into a money-making side hustle. If you have one, then it's time you dive further into it, and if you don't, then it's time you develop one. 5. Pawn or sell items of value. If you are still thinking I need money right this second, then take some time to dig through your closets, basement or attic and find some valuable items that can sell for some cash. For example, if you have an old gaming system or some unwanted jewelry, you can sell it for some fast cash. If you have gold, then you can use our gold selling guide to find out where to sell jewelry for the best value. 6. Rent out your car to strangers and earn over $5,000 this year. There are a lot of ways to make money fast with just your car. Did you know that you can rent out your car when you're not using it? And that you can bring in a lot of extra cash in your wallet by doing so? Do you plan on heading on a vacation soon while your car sits unused at your home? Do you sometimes not use your car on the weekends? If so, renting out your car while you're not using it could be an easy way to make passive income. A well-known company, Turo, which has signed up nearly 5 million users to its website, according to Bloomberg, lets you do just that. It's also really simple to do, and free. Listing your car is quick and easy and takes less than 10 minutes to set up. According to a recent Turo review, somebody listed their car for 5 days every month and made $3,496 in a year. Sounds pretty good to me. Oh, and they also protect your car against physical damage, so you're fully covered. You can sign up today and start making money with your car. 7. Make $5,000 fast with a spare room. Yup, it's true. There is a company out there called Airbnb that can net you over $1,500 plus a month just by listing your spare room just a few nights out of the month. Are you interested in seeing what your income potential could be by listing a spare room on Airbnb? Remember, it is a free room booking app for your phone. I really mean free all around, free to join, and they don't charge any fees for you to list your spare room. See how much people are making from listings in your area, then make your own. 8. Flipping homes. These days, almost everyone has a side hustle. Whether you just want to make some extra cash in addition to your full-time job or plan on becoming a solo entrepreneur, starting your own side hustle is a great way to create new opportunities. And there are only a few side hustles that offer a greater chance for financial growth than home flipping. While there's no denying that home flipping can turn into an extremely lucrative business, with many doubling their initial investment, this side hustle also carries a bit of risk. So what can you do to ensure that your home flipping efforts actually generate a profit? These 7 tips will help you get on the right track. 9. Sell your used items. Have an old laptop, used textbooks, old clothes, or even used DVDs lying around. It's not much of a secret that you can easily get money for those items you have stored in the closet, attic, or basement that are just collecting dust. Make $5,000 fast with DoorDash. DoorDash is looking for people who want to start delivering food to earn extra money and work on their own schedule. To qualify, you must be 18 years or older. Have access to a car or bicycle. Own an iPhone or Android smartphone. Driver's license with at least 2 years of driving experience. Valid insurance, name on policy.